Right, here we have a special bike. Zach, tell us a bit about your bike you have here.
Yukon Giant 10.
Yukon Giant 10.
The seat's so good. The suspension's pretty old, but it's like a Julie. Once you give that a test.
Right, now Zach's going to show us the suspension. Oh, Zach, give me the bloody Coke now, fat dog. Yeah. Right, show us the suspension. It's my Coke. See, she doesn't do too bad. Right, now we're going to do a test run on the bike, see how good she is.
Me or you?
Me.
I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body.
Right, so the suspension wasn't too bad. It's actually pretty good for the year and date of the bike. Seat's fucking comfy, mate. That's the best part of it.
What's your rating?
8 out of 10.